Imagine you're trying to get specific information using the dir command, looking to extract only details about folders and symbolic links. The problem arises when you want to filter out unnecessary information and focus solely on the folders and their symbolic links. This can be quite challenging unless you know the right approach. In the solution provided, a clever use of a for loop in a batch script or command line allows you to accomplish this task efficiently. By setting the tokens to 4.5 and utilizing the command dir al find str192, you can filter out the desired output containing the symbolic link information you seek. The echo sent to A, sent B, sent C command then helps in displaying the specific details for each iteration, leading to the desired output format. The script snippet for f tokens equal 4.5 tended day, soon, do echo sent A, sent B, enter C, stands as the core of this approach, enabling the extraction of the required folder and symbolic link details effectively. This code snippet, when executed either in a batch script or directly in the command line, streamlines the process of getting the precise information you need without any hassle. Exploring further into the solution, the command structure outlined with for f tokens 4.5 sent A in dir al finds to 192, do echo sent dar sent E, B sent C continues the extraction of folder and symbolic link information. By following this structured approach, you can ensure that only the relevant details are extracted and displayed, making your task much more manageable and efficient. To enhance your understanding of the process, the script snippet provided contains detailed explanations of the options available for the for-f command. This additional information helps in comprehending the inner workings of the script and how it effectively processes the output to deliver the desired results. By diving into these details, you can gain a deeper insight into how the script functions and how you can adapt it to suit your specific needs. In summary, by following the steps outlined in the solution, you can easily extract and display folder and symbolic link information from the output of the dir command. This method simplifies the process and ensures that you obtain the specific details you require without any unnecessary clutter. So next time you need to filter out specific information using the dir command, remember this efficient approach for a hassle-free experience. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment to let us know if this solution worked for you. Happy scripting!